Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to teach you how to write a program that counts the number of words in a given sentence in Java. Let's begin to ask ChatGPT. How to use Java to write a program that counts the number of words in a given sentence. Make sure you are showing all the steps and explain each step and each line of code in detail to someone who is a beginner in coding. Please show the complete code at the end. Please break down the code and explain each step in detail. And here is what ChatGPT tells us. First, let's set up the basics. The first thing is to open a text editor. Open a plain text editor like Notepad, Windows, TextEdit, macOS, or any code editor you prefer. We are using Replit. It is a platform where you can write, run, and share Java code online. Go to Replit. Choose Create and type Java as the language. Create a new file. Create a new file and save it with .java extension. For example, you can name it wordcountprogram.java. Step 1. Import required libraries. Import java.util, scanner, here. We import the scanner class to read user input. Step 2. Create the main class. In this step, we set up the main class. We create a scanner object to read user input. The user is prompted to enter a sentence using system.out.println, enter a sentence. We then read the input sentence using scanner.nextLine. Step 3. Define CountWords method. The CountWords method takes a string parameter sentence and returns the number of words in that sentence. We start by checking if the sentence is empty. If it's empty, we return 0 words. Otherwise, we split the sentence into words using the split method, which splits the sentence whenever a space is encountered. We return the length of the resulting array, which gives us the number of words. Now we have the complete code for the program. Now let's compile and run. Open a terminal/command prompt and navigate to the folder containing the files. Compile the code, javac wordcountprogram.java. Run the program, Java word count program. When you run the program, it will prompt you to enter a sentence. After entering the sentence, it will display the number of words in the sentence. Now we can test it out. Let's enter, "Hello world." This is a sample sentence. It returns number of words is 7. Awesome! This program demonstrates the basic concept of counting words in a sentence using Java. You can enhance this program further, accounting for punctuation and special cases, as needed. Thank you for watching, hope you like this video and have fun with the code. Subscribe and let's learn code with AI together.